If you think life's full of troubles, then just wait until you're dead. Now they're tearing down the house that I'm haunting. Probably build a high-rise in its place. Now they're tearing down the house that I'm haunting. Makes me wonder if they'll let me stay. Now it was quite a house, sitting high up on the hill. Now there's a broken window for every windowsill. But the roof's still got shingles, walls are straight, it's got good bones. But the problem is it's been a while since anyone's been home. They're tearing down the house that I'm haunting. I can't find the landlord anyway. They're tearing down the house that I'm haunting. I never thought a ghost could be so scared. They say that it's an eyesore and a relic from the past. They finally got the funding to tear it down at last. And look at all this progress, I guess I'm not surprised. After all of this history's just everyone who died. Now they're tearing down the house that I'm haunting. They say there's a housing crisis around here. They don't want nothing